design ideas.
When creating entertaining areas in a garden, it's all about the hard landscaping, as that is where the table and chairs are likely to go. It's also important to consider what you want to use the space for. When garden designer Andrew Jordan designed this garden in Wiltshire, he made sure he knew exactly what the owners had in mind.
The brief from the clients was very much to spend time as a family outdoors. So it was all about being able to eat outdoors, have friends, family around, to have a big space in which to entertain. So the challenge was to include all those elements, but for them to work together.
The elements Andrew added to this space are a large paved area for dining and lounging, a spa pool for relaxing, and a sunken seating area for chilling out. He united all these spaces with a large patio and added trees and planting to make each area distinct from the next.